Ugrāsana. Sit in Dandasana, legs stretched out, spine erect, hands beside the body, toes stretched in and knees straight. As you breathe in, slowly lift both your hands sideways and touch your biceps muscles to the ears. Stretch up your spine, and as you breathe out, bend your body forward from the hip joint. Grab your toes, touch your head to the knees and elbows to the ground. Stay here for a few breaths. Slowly release the pose. Return to the initial position and relax. Through this asana, the prana flows into the sushmana and the digestive fires of the stomach are roused. Digestion is improved and many achieve freedom from diseases. This asana increases the flexibility of the spine, hamstring, lower back and hips. It enhances blood circulation and reduces menstrual and menopause discomfort. This asana also stimulates the liver, gallbladder, pancreas, spinal nerves, back muscles and the reproductive system.